Before the fame, before the billion-dollar books, J.K. Rowling was broke. She was a single mother living on welfare, battling depression, writing in coffee shops because she couldn't afford heat in her tiny apartment. She had a story in her heart, Harry Potter, but no one believed in it. She sent her manuscript to 12 different publishers and got rejected by every single one. Too long, not marketable. Magic stories don't sell. Most people would have given up, but not her, because she didn't write to get famous. She wrote because she had to. Writing was her escape, her hope, her only thread of light in the darkest season of her life. And finally, one small publisher said yes. That one yes changed her life and millions of lives around the world, from homeless to history-making. Harry Potter became a global phenomenon. Books, films, theme parks. J.K. Rowling became the first billionaire author in the world. But don't miss the lesson. She was rejected 12 times before one person believed. Most people give up after the first no. She kept going through heartbreak, poverty, and pain because her dream wasn't optional. It was her purpose. So here's what you need to know. Your current struggle doesn't define your future. Your rejections aren't the end. You might be one more try away from the life that changes everything. So keep going, even if no one claps, even if they don't believe. Your story matters, your voice matters, and your gift? It's not a mistake. If this story moved you, follow for more real-life inspiration that reminds you it's not over until you win.